Yep.
Oh God! Don't tighten it. Just real tension. Real tension.
Ooh.
Real tension. All right. Keep reeling. Keep reeling.
Yeah.
Keep reeling. Just keep tension reeling.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it. Let me reel my guy in so I can help you out. Just keep tension.
That guy spooled on me.
Yeah, he did. Yeah, just keep reeling. Fuck it. Don't even. We're not even gonna fuck with the drag.
Wait, we got. Ooh.
Oh, you got a ray, dude. Look how big that fucker is. Bring him up here.
No wonder.
Here, lift your pole. Put your back of your pole to this side of you. There you go. I'm gonna bring him. Oh,
My bad.
no, you good.
Dude, what?
Look at this. Keep reeling a little tension out.
Yeah, my bad.
Oh, cool. And he hooked right in the tip.
Hey, buddy.
Look at the size of that guy.
That's fucking awesome.
Oh, here, we can do this. Fuck it. Ah, there you go. Hell yeah. Big guy, dude. That bitch. Zing!
Oh, shit. More drag.